3 poses that can really help improve children's balance and their coordination. 1, the tiger. Hands and knees, there's lots of different variations on the tiger, but eventually we want to pick up one leg back behind and send the opposite arm away in front. We want to get them to push the floor away to help activate their belly muscles. This is such a great pose for improving focus, for strengthening the core muscles, and for strengthening the pelvic stabilizers, our glutes. Pose 2, the low lunge. Now these might come in a sun salute, or you can do it on its own. 1 foot in front and back, knee down. Get the kids to lengthen up through their spine, reach through the top of their head as they press their front foot to the floor. Hands stay on their hips or reaching the arms up high. This is such a great pose for improving focus, keeping the eyes still. Strengthening the core muscles again, the glutes again, but also the feet. Pose 3 is tree. It's a classic. It's so beneficial. Starting in mounting both feet, pressing down, reaching the top of the head up. I like to start with the hands on the hips. We rest one heel on the opposite foot, and we're already there. The most important thing with tree is to stay tall, again to activate those deep, important core muscles, our spinal stabilizers. From there, we have the option to slide that foot up a little bit higher. Important thing here is to stay steady, not to lean to one side, but to stay nice and upright. Of course, we have the option to reach the arms nice and high, or to bring the hands together in front. This is an even better pose at improving foot strength, building the strength in that inner arch of the foot, which is so vital to our balance and our coordination skills. We improve core strength, hip strength, and of course, our focus. Check out our last video for a class to share with your kids that includes all of those poses. And if you'd like to learn how to teach these poses properly yourself to the kids, then I'd love to welcome you on a training course. Head over to classyoga.com to check out our training options, and I'd love to welcome you on. See you soon.